Dear friends, this is Dr. Sudhir Sharma with the new video on the topic Breaking Unhealthy Habits. Let me make one thing very clear right in the beginning. Breaking an unhealthy habit is neither difficult nor easy. It is in fact very simple at the doing level for those who are genuinely interested in being free from the unhealthy habit. So, let us start with a question. What do you do when you want to break an unhealthy habit like overeating or eating junk food all the time, or wanting to leave smoking, or wanting to end irregularity in taking exercises or going for a walk? What is the very first thing you do, friends? You start thinking about this challenge of breaking the unhealthy habit. You are making plans on how to go about it. You are analyzing the unhealthy habit. You are imagining the positive, beneficial effects on your health once you break the habit successfully. In short, your mind suddenly becomes very active in looking at the unhealthy habit from various angles with various type of strategies. So friends, I am sounding the first warning here. My view is that all this mental activity is an attempt by you to ease the pain and discomfort of having that unhealthy habit. By overdoing all this mental gymnastics, you may subconsciously be avoiding taking actions to break that habit. So, the first important point to remember is that by thinking about breaking the unhealthy habit, you have actually accomplished nothing. You have not taken any action to achieve your goal of breaking the unhealthy habit. So friends, have you learned the first important lesson? Please don't overthink, overplan and overanalyze. These activities are waste of that valuable energy which you will require in taking concrete actions in actual breaking of unhealthy habit. So, after the warning, now we come to step 2 of taking actual effective action for breaking the unhealthy habit. Please remember that without such actions, no breakthrough can ever come. Your strategy is very simple here. Do not perform the actions that are needed to keep the unhealthy habit going on in your daily routine. Let us understand this simple strategy by taking examples. Suppose overeating is your problem, then stop putting that extra food into your plate or in your mouth. If you are eating junk food, then do not take out money to buy junk food or open the packet of junk food. Same goes for smoking. Do not purchase cigarettes or open the packet or take out the cigarette from it and light it. For breaking the habit of being irregular in taking exercises, just stop sitting in chair or lying down on the bed and thinking about breaking the habit from tomorrow or next week. Just get up, wear your exercise clothing and shoes and start for wherever you are going to exercise at that moment right away. Friends, are you getting the simple essence of what I am trying to point out emphatically here? The strategy part is simple. Move away from performing those actions which maintain unhealthy habit in your life, this time and every time. If you look at this a bit wisely and patiently, you will realize that not performing these actions is the only solid, reliable way of breaking the unhealthy habit. Just remember the warning of step 1 and this simple strategy of step 2 and break any unhealthy habit you want to break. As I said in the beginning, breaking an unhealthy habit is neither difficult nor easy. It is in fact very simple. Please share your comments in the comment section and if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so to get the regular updates. Thank you very much for watching the video to the end. Thank you.